Hi everyone, today I'll give you a walkthrough of the app I have designed. So basically, this app is a budget tracking app where you can spend according to a specific budget and track your budgets to keep yourself safe from overspending. So now let's start. As you see, the first page is the welcome page of our app where there is the logo and the name of the app, and then you have a button to start which says start saving. As you press the button, you will come to the login page where you have to put your email and password to log in. But in case if you forget your password, you also have an option of forgot password, which helps you back up your account. So as you press the button, you will come to a page which asks forget your password. Then there we have options of to put your email, set new password, and then confirm password. When you press the button of save, you will head back to the login page. But if you are a new user, you have to sign up. So pressing the sign up button takes you to the sign up page where you have to write your name, email, and set a password for your account. Then press confirm login. You'll come back to the login page, then put your information and press login. So this is the home page of the app where you have the logo of the app on the top left corner and a button of profile on the top right corner where we will go later on. So now on the home page we have 8 different options regarding our daily life expenses. Now let's start with the first one, which is food. When you press it, a page will open where you'll see a calculator which says enter amount for food, which means that you have to put the amount you are willing to spend on food from your salary. Then after that we have the other part, which is health, where you'll put the amount you keep separate for health issues and even medicines and all. Then you have the next part, which is shopping. You will enter the amount you want to spend on shopping, which includes all types of shopping from home grocery to clothes, shoes and all. Then you have the home bills, where you will enter the amount of all sort of bills, which includes your rent and all the types of bills like electricity, water and all. Then there's a part which says cats accessories, which does not just mean for cats, but like in some houses people keep pets, so we have also included an option to track their expenses, which covers their food, health and all. Then you have the transport. In this you have to enter the amount you estimate would be spent on your traveling. It might be public transport or even if it's your own private transport, which includes the fuel. Then we have another option for traveling. If you wish to travel somewhere out, you can also track the expense of traveling here and then enter the budget. Then at last we have the option to write expense of education, where we have the fees of schools, universities or any type of education you are taking or your money is being spent on, so you will enter the amount of it there. Now at the end we have a button to add card, where we have to put the total amount of your income, or you can say the amount you have in your bank account. Then below it you have options to add your card as well. Then we have a button which says explore new features. As you press the button, you will come to a new page where you have an option to join accounts with your friend or family or whoever you want, but we can say as for friends. So when you press the button, you will come up to a page where it asks to write the name, email and mobile number. Then we also have an option to add the cards, so when you click on the button, you will come back to the page where we just added our cards. Then as you can see below all the pages, we have 4 options, in which the first one is the home page, the second is the budget page, where you have to enter the amount of budget you seek to spend or you have thought to spend in a month. And then the third option is the account option, where you just enter the amount you have in your bank account. And the last one is the transactions page, where you will see a calendar on the top and then followed by the recent transactions you have made. Then we'll move towards the profile button, of which we talked before. Now we will explore it. In the profile page, you'll have options to write your own information like your name, email and set password of your account and the phone number. Then there's a button of logout which takes you to a thank you page. We'll see it at the end. So as you can see on the top of the page we have the settings page. Now let's explore the settings page. Here we have many options, like let's explore all of them. So the first one is add categories, where you'll see 4 options. The first of insurance. As you click insurance, you'll open into a page where you can write the amount of insurances you have to pay. Then after that we have the other option of debt. So if you have any debt, you can go there where you'll see a calculator to enter the amount you have to pay for debt. So now the next option for savings, like if you are willing to start a business, you can enter there and save money which you will not have to spend from your account and keep for saving. Then at last we have the option of donations, like if you want, you can get there and enter the amount of how much donation you are willing to do. Now let's get back to the settings page where we have the other options of notifications which you can open and close from a switch. We have added a toggle switch to open and close the buttons. Now the next option is the option of changing currency. If you want, you can change the currency, which take us to a page which have multiple currencies to select. Then we have the cloud sync option, which also opens and closes with a button. Then we have the FAQ page where there are some questions for the users. Then we have the contacts page where user can contact by entering their details. Now we have the sound option, which again opens and closes with the help of a toggle button. Then at the end we have the button which takes us to the feedback page where you rate the app according to your experience. So now at the end we are left with the logout button we skipped before, which is the one on the profile page. So when you click the logout button, you'll see a thank you screen and you will be logged out from your account. So this was the app I have designed where you can track your expenses and save if you spend according to the budget you have assigned yourself, and if you not overspend, which this app helps you not to do. I hope you enjoyed exploring the app. Thank you so much.